Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux. It is a robot with insectoid IDs, 6 legs, controlled by 4 motors in total, 2 for each side. Also battery run, and yes, if you've seen the previous videos it lacked the battery, but now I've charged it completely, so I hope it will run. So this power cord to the AC adapter is not plugged in. Yeah, plugged in here but not on the wall side. 2 touch sensors and a USB camera. Last time I tried to make contact with Robo Pro and with 2 tablets. 2 tablets because I wanted to see if the camera works. And with this robot and with the driving robot, also based on the TXT controller, I have different results. The script is intended to make pictures of those objects, single out the red color and then show them. That hasn't been working for a bit now, so what I intend to do is put the Python code from the community firmware that runs on the community firmware, copy it to the default firmware and see how that runs. So let's see how that works out. Alright, I have booted into the community version of the firmware, and as you can see, once again a blank screen. So let me see if I can make some contact. I have to first go into the correct IP address and try to make contact. Yes, I have to ignore. That doesn't go too well. Why is that happening? That is certainly not supposed to happen. Alright, that probably means that I will have to change to the power adapter. But let's boot first successfully, and yeah, of course it can't make contact. That happens when it goes off. Alright, community interface. And now it would be very nice if it could switch. Right, let's try it anyway. Yes, it can. Alright, I have contact. But I can't reach it, as you can see. And there it goes again. So yes, I am now definitely switching to power adapter. And this takes time that I had hoped to avoid. And then we get this one, a grey screen. So I probably will not get an no, because I can't see anything. So what is happening is not planned at all, but you already figured that. Right, 5 seconds hold and it will power off. Or should power off. This does not go to plan at all. Now it powered off. Now power on. Let's see what the display does this time. And yes, if you have watched my videos before, then you know that I show all failures. I don't edit them out. Which may seem boring, but I show live as it is. So, once again, contact, yes, and this doesn't do a thing. Once again, doesn't do a thing. So now I try to go to the default user interface, which is kind of this. Does it do it now? No. Still not. Okay, but I figure that is because of the blank screen. It doesn't do a thing. Alright, can I log in? Most likely, yes, I can. Here successfully. Here also successfully. Changing date to it's 8 January and it is alright. So what I want to do is copying it using SCP, see if that works out. And the thing to do is from this side. So can I do that? Or can't I? Let's just see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then home FTC. And then I need, this is of course, okay, py for Python, and I want to copy it in this directory. And that goes wrong, obviously, so yep, let's see if this goes better. Yes, that goes better. So .py, and yes, there it is. Alright, so now I can shut this one down, but I can also still run it. So let's run it. And yes, giving the speed, and then I have to do it like this, and again error. I hear the motors moan and work, but no picture, which is the exact reason that I want to copy it to the default firmware and see whatever happens then. So now I'm going to reboot to the default firmware, and let's see what. And then I want to access the controller, which gives no root to host or connection refused. Well, the 100 right here is the address given to this Linux computer. I check that, and if I look at my tablet, indeed this one, and let's do it again. Hopefully this works. Yes, it works. And this tablet now has address 101. So that works out. However, the point is, it is, as you can see, configured right now as an access point, which you normally can't do. If I run it from the SD card as approachable, then it works as a wireless client. So I actually should run it as a client. And then hopefully I can configure it for my own network. But if so, I won't be able to use this, because this app is only configured for the access point. So that's a little bit dual idea. What to do? Yeah, good question. I think I should configure it then as a wireless LAN client to see whatever the code does. Let's just try it for the little time remaining. Right, now I have the following. I did put it on the WLAN client, was able to give it the same address, but I could not log in for some reason. No route to host. So I've gone back to the access point, managed to no, not that one. I said no, this one, and it is disconnected. So I want to reconnect, and that's the problem right now. It doesn't want to do that. So I've set it back to this IP address here, 8.2, but since it doesn't reconnect that easily, and this is all, oh really, because it has no it has a different IP address. Now that is new to me. Why does it have a different IP address suddenly? That is not the intention. Instead of 192.168, it has a very different one. Yes, that is correct. However, please wait. Okay. Now this one should be. So that is another riddle. Network issue because of wrong network address. That's a new one. Yes. By all means do connect. And as long as this is circling, it does not connect. I can tell that. No stable connection. And with that, I think this is more than enough stuff to deal with this time. So my original plan already went to grabs in the beginning by the power issue. Do I have connection? I don't have connection. Why don't I have connection? That is unclear. So I'm afraid I have to leave it at that for now. Without stable connection, I can't do a thing. Alright, and of course I had to reset the controller again. Power off, power on, and then I can make contact again. So that was another mistake. Anyway, it is back on access point, not on wireless client. That I hope I will be able to do next time. And it has this, and as you can see, the camera reset because the controller resets. So let's see if I can restart. Will take a bit. Nope. Will take a bit longer than that. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Always appreciate it. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And please show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information under this video, or you can become a patron and you may have your name mentioned. For more information, also see the next little segment. For now, have a nice day and bye bye.